Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang, a generation between year 2015 and year 2023. If you need to guys find the fuse for the Powersteering Assist, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, why it's super important to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays at a fraction of the price. All that will be covered today. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be guys taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So what we have here specifically guys, you can see this is a Ford Mustang 5.0 GT V8, but even if you have a 4-cylinder with a 2.3 EcoBoost engine, it should work as well. We're going to go ahead, open the hood and support it. Now if you guys have problems where the power steering does not work, okay, you have electric power steering pump and you want to see where that power steering assist fuse is located, stay with us and we're going to explain that in this video guys, okay, today especially for you. So what we need to do, we need to go under the hood, and under the hood we're going to go ahead and find the fuse box, which is on the left side of the engine right here. We're going to open it by pressing here, pull up. Here we have the fuse numbers and relays printed, and that's the layout here that corresponds to what we have specifically here. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now if you guys need to buy cheap fuses, okay, you may have up to 4 different kinds, and these special fuses at the parts store can cost you guys quite a bit of money. We put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping, those specific fuses and relays. So check it out, all that guys will be shared for your convenience there. Which fuse we need to check, we'll be working in that fuse block right here. I'm talking about that fuse block right there, and the fuse that we need to check will be number 64. It will be that fuse here. So that's guys on the left side, 1, 2, 3, third fuse. Even if you have one missing, you count it, 1, 2, 3. That fuse right here, that's the one that you will need to check. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.